What's up, guys? It's Tamera here, back with another video, and I'm going to be doing a vlog today. I'm just going to be taking you guys with me through my day and showing you a couple things. So yeah, also mini haul. I'm gonna show you guys something. Me and Maya's for the cosmetic section, our mailers came in, and they're pink, and I believe, if I remember, they're 4x8. But we've got more mailers coming in, but they're just gonna be like white postal mailers. But these are cute. They're pink. They're small. And the postal mailers, they're gonna be bigger, so just in case we get bigger orders, we'll have something to put them in instead of trying to stuff them in here. But yeah, and also I bought some purple crinkle paper. Our colors for our business is pink, purple, and hollow, and so that's just what we got. But the store only had purple. They didn't have pink or hollow, so I went with purple because that is also one of our colors, and this actually matches our mesh bags. So yeah, and then I got some more of these, which were also from the dollar store. I'm gonna store, but I got blue because there was no purple. But I'm going to store our lip scrubs in here, my half. So this is what they're gonna be in, and yeah. Also, I bought some thank you cards, so we don't have to worry about purchasing thank you cards right now. Well, this is what they look like. They just say thank you on the front, and they open up. They open up like that, and it's blank inside, so you can write whatever you want. But it just says thank you, and it's really simple. It's really cute. This is like the simplest one they had, so this is the one I got because it was the cutest and the simplest one they had. But yeah, as the rest of our packages come in throughout the week, I'll show you guys. And yeah. But today I am going to Harmony's house today, and I'm gonna chill over there. We're gonna take some TikToks, product videos, and then hopefully we're gonna work on our shirts today. So hopefully you guys will get to see that. I will try to vlog as much as I can because I also want to spend time with Harmony, but I easily forget things sometimes, but then I'll remember like literally right after something happens. So I'll try to do my best to get as much film and record as much as I can today for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Okay, ow. So we're on the way to Harmony's house. Well, where she's at. So okay, I'm driving. I'm at Harmony's house. One of Harmony's many locations. Yeah. Ew. Oh, no. I love how I'm missing an upload. Guys, we finna do tie-dye a couple shirts for you guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So the colors I picked are pink, and then I might do purple. I don't know. I haven't decided, but yeah. Okay. That's Harmony shirt. Thank you. It's what it look like. Yes, sir. Thumbnail. Okay. Anyway, so we're outside and we're letting our tie-dye shirts dry before we do anything else with them. Yeah. And then we're finna make a couple of TikToks and take some pictures for our website and just for our Instagram. So that's the vibes. Alright, so
We're going to be taking a couple pictures with the bracelets.
Bracelets?
Yeah, bracelets. You know, it's kind of hot outside.
Look at the nails.
LOL. I'm trying to get my nails done. But it's pretty hot outside. Like, I'm finna start sweating in a minute.
It is hot.
Sunburn at 100.
My skin look kind of clear right here. But in person, it's not like that.
LOL.
So, we're back outside. In the heat. But we're taking some pictures and some videos, and I'm gonna teach Harmony how to make a simple TikTok. Shanice said she'll probably come around by like 5:30, so I don't know if she gonna come earlier than that or not, but I would just want to try to get everything done before I have to dip off back to my room. So, but look at that. Go cop on our lunch day. Look at these. Ow! No, because it's not even funny.
Oh, Jesus.
That junk hurts.
Girl. That scared me.
Look at our earrings.
Don't mind the blue hands, guys.
Yeah, we did tie that, but don't mind those. Look at that. Ooh.
Beautiful.
Period. Okay. We're outside. We kept taking breaks because of how hot it was.
Yeah.
But, I mean, it's July. So. Oh, skin is glowing. It's giving me vibes. It's giving me. I got on my jellies. Harvey gonna get some jellies. Okay, I'm home now. I left Harmony's mini locations. And I'm at my house. We're actually on the phone. We're actually on the phone. Very much. I'm gonna show you in a second, but it's so hot outside, y'all. I don't even know the degrees, but it was so hot today. For no reason at all. But, I mean, that's cool and all. But we did tie-dye today. We talked about some stuff. We got some links for Amazon. And I'm actually gotta send something to Harmony. A couple things. But, I mean, we got a lot of stuff done today. And I was only there for like 5 hours. And it went by so quick. But I enjoyed my day with Harmony. Yes, sir. But I guess I'll vlog the rest of the night, I guess. Because we took pictures, and so I've got to upload them to the site and then schedule for them to post on Friday. Okay, here's Harmony. She's making brownies. But yeah, so I've got to send Harmony the link for the business cards to make sure that her mom gets the right one. And the design for the business cards. I gotta send that over to Harmony.